Insert the comb into the jaws of the AMU 6000 or the AMU 8000. Turn on the machine by flipping the power switch. It is important to note that there are 4 ways to stop the AMU 6000 and the AMU 8000 laser mid-cycle. Turn off the power using the main power switch. Push the emergency stop button. Depress the foot pedal as far as it goes. This will trigger an emergency stop. Pull the power cord from its receptacle. Wait for the machine to power up. Do not press the keypad during this time. Once the startup process is finished, the screen will show a set of parameters including bar, dwell time, and temperature for each jaw. There are 8 custom presets available, corresponding to the F1 through F8 buttons. To change the parameters for the selected preset, use the down arrow to find your desired parameter. To change this parameter, press Enter and a blinking box will appear on the screen. From here, press the arrows to change the value. Press Enter again to lock in the value. Repeat this process for bar, temperature, and dwell time. Adjust the jaw travel range by depressing the foot pedal while adjusting the jaw return limiter. Press the 2 red buttons labeled T1 and T2 to preheat both jaws. These will blink red until they come to temperature. Insert your fasteners into the comb. Be sure that the hooks are pressed into the comb as far as possible. Insert the gauge pin into the comb to hold the fasteners in place. Insert the belt into the fasteners. While holding the belt in the fasteners, depress the foot pedal. This will close the jaws, seating the fasteners in the belt. Be sure to depress the foot pedal until the jaws return to their original, fully opened state. Releasing the foot pedal early will cancel the operation. Remove the gauge pin from the machine. Remove the belt and fasteners from the machine. Inspect the fasteners.